This video is a step-by-step guide on how to install Airalo Esim with your QR code. First, you need to check if your iPhone is compatible with the eSIM or not. It's a very good idea to check before going. Open the app, tap on the eSIM, tap on the eSIM that you want to install, tap on the view instruction, tap on the QR code. After that, share this QR code, go to this tab Save Images, exit the Airlo app, go to the setting, tap Cellular Mobile Data, tap eSIM, use QR code, open Photos, select the saved QR code, tap on Continue Twice, wait for a few minutes to eSIM to activate, tap on Done, add Cellular Mobile Plan to label New Install eSIM, and tap Secondary, enter Airlo or preferred label, tap Done, tap Continue, select your primary line for calls and text, then Continue, select your primary line for iMessages and FaceTime, and then again Continue. After completing this step, the installation page will close, and once your SIM will be installed, you can go to the eSIM and go to the eSIM is enabled. If not, turn this on, and this will ensure that your eSIM is activated with just the QR code. And I'll see you in the next one.